Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope all of you are well and safe. In this video, I will show you some simple projects which you can do while you are staying at home. Turning your Zippo lighter from this into this. Basically, these are all the things that you need for this project. These are the things that can be easily found at home or within a garage. First, you will need a hammer as well as a narrowed metal rod to dislodge the hinge pin from the hinges. Next, you will need an office paper clip. The paper clip which you choose should not break when it is bent many times. And next, you need a pair of pliers, preferably with a cutting device. Without that, you will need a separate cutter during this project. For demonstration purposes, I will be using a Zippo. In this case, I have already removed the hinge pin from this casing. So how you will do it is using that small metallic rod that I described. In this case, a nail is all I have. I would gently tap one end to dislodge the pin out of the other end, in which I will then pull out with my pliers. What I'm going to do is to make my own DIY loose-proof Zippo lighter by creating the loop around the back, around the front of the hinges. Now, to begin, I will straighten this paper clip and begin sticking it through all the barrels of the hinges carefully. Look at that, it has now gone through. To make a looped hinge pin which does not detach or lose itself over time, I found that the best way of making is to crimp both ends of the paper clip against each other over at the front. So first I will bend both ends of this paper clip right to the center. So at this stage, it is important that the paper clip which you choose, it must not break while you are bending in this manner. This factor is also important so that it ensures the durability of this entire thing that you are making. So now, having bent both ends towards the center of the hinges, I shall bend it further so that there is some ends over here for me to crimp it over one another. So from this stage onwards, I shall turn off the camera and show you what it should look like after crimping. Alright, so off camera, this is what I had done. I crimped one end of the paper clip over the other, and now I shall do the same thing with the other side. Having cut off the excessive end, shall now fold it underneath the loop. Remember that the previous one was above. Now I'll crimp the opposite side from the bottom instead. So it's the pattern of one side over and one side under. I will then trim off the excessive lengths, sand it off with some sandpaper, and this loop will be pretty much done. Alternatively, if you choose not to trim the ends off, you can crimp the ends further more around, which also adds to the aesthetic look of the project. With that, this has really been complete. All you need to do now is to put back your insert and create your own DIY lanyard to complement with your favorite lighter. Using the correct material which does not break upon bending, I should foresee that this DIY looped hinge pin should be able to last for a long time with usage and carries. One important aspect to bear in mind is that it is so important to put in your utmost precautions and care during this project, so that you do not screw up with the hinges or with the lighter casing by accident. Take as much time and patience as you need to. Do it once and do it right. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and have learned something useful. Do give it a thumbs up and put your comments at the comment section below. I will also appreciate your subscription to my channel for more Zippo videos. And as of now guys, stay safe and have a great day.